how to reset the automatic maintenance message on a Remeha Calenta boiler heater. This is a 25S, but it will work on a lot of the boilers with this same display. Now, before you remove this automatic maintenance message, you should perform the maintenance on it. And once the maintenance has been performed, we can go ahead and reset or remove this message by simply coming in, and we're going to click on this left button over here to reset it, and on the screen which it should pop up and it should say code. Then we're going to then use these up and down arrows to toggle through and input the 4-digit code, which for the reset of the automatic maintenance message is 0012. 0012. This is the installer code, and then we're just going to hit this enter button, and the maintenance message is now reset, and the display will return to the normal operating mode. And if you're looking in for a new boiler, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get a great one at a great price.